Arthritis affects millions globally, causing joint pain and stiffness. While there's no cure, lifestyle changes can significantly improve your quality of life. Let's explore some practical tips for managing arthritis effectively. Arthritis comes in various forms. Osteoarthritis results from joint wear and tear, affecting knees, hips, and hands. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disorder causing joint damage. Psoriatic arthritis involves skin and joint inflammation, while gout is due to uric acid buildup, often affecting the big toe. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial. Excess weight strains joints, worsening symptoms. A balanced diet with fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains helps. Regular exercise strengthens muscles around joints, improving flexibility. Low-impact activities like swimming and walking are ideal. Incorporate anti-inflammatory foods like fatty fish, nuts, and olive oil into your diet. Rest and sleep are vital for recovery. Use heat therapy to relax stiff joints and cold therapy to reduce swelling. Assistive devices like canes and ergonomic tools ease daily tasks. Stay hydrated to combat stiffness. Manage stress through meditation and hobbies. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol to reduce inflammation. Stay informed about your condition and consult healthcare providers regularly, said. By adopting these strategies, you can take charge of your arthritis and enhance your well-being.